Good morning to another vlog. So I bought this new mic, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I got the wireless mic as well. So hopefully the audio is way better than the previous vlog. This is just a day in the life where I need to do some client work. Wait a bit, maybe I should change up angles. So the plan for today is always the non-negotiable. We have read for 20 minutes, code for 30 minutes, go for a walk, and then the to-do is final fixes for a landing page for a client, so we can hopefully launch it either today or tomorrow, depends on the text as well. Then I need to design first draft of landing page for a new client, and then I really want to film not this video but another video where I build a progressive web app, and then I want to prep that those files for the editor. But let's go ahead and pack, because I really want to head out for a coffee shop for the next 2 hours, get a coffee, and then just do some deep work. But let's pack up. Yeah, the other thing, I'm still working on it, but it is the Osmo Pocket 3, and so far so good. I just need to learn how to use it, but now I'm just packing up. The coffee shop is, I think it's 1 or 2 minutes from where I live, and then I'm gonna get myself a cortado, then a bun with butter and cheese. It's a Danish thing called bolle med ost, and then I'll head back. And I did take a shower yesterday, but still want some water in my head to freshen up a bit. Definitely, I don't think I will take this part where I do my contact lenses. But oh yeah, we are vloggers, so we film everything. And now you just don't need to spill on the t-shirt. Number 1 goal. Alright, I'm ready for the coffee shop. I will probably, maybe not even film. I do think it's a bit scary to film in public, to be honest. And but I might try. Let's see. I will probably not talk. Then I'll do a voiceover. It's currently 54. So the coffee shop will open in 6 minutes. So I'm gonna pack up, and then, which I already did, and then I'm gonna go. That was 1.5 hours of deep work. It's a very nice place called Coffee Collective, as you saw, and I just love a good cortado. And I finished a lot of the work for one of the tasks, but let's quickly sit down and talk about what I'm actually currently working on in terms of clients this month. So in this month, in mid-December to mid-January, I'm actually currently having 2 retainer clients. I just closed another one, I think it was 2 days ago. So I'm actually kind of fully booked at the moment, but I also have 3 meetings in terms of potential clients in the future. So right now the second month is going really well, and I'm already up to what my previous salary was, but this is a company, so I will always try and invest back into it. So having an editor, buying this camera and stuff like that. So I will actually not give myself that high of a salary, to be honest. And I think it's good to have the short-term goals, but also the long-term goals. And I just have some long-term goals which I'm working towards, and hopefully they will work out in the future. But I can show you some of the things I'm working on. I'm currently also working on a YouTube video about a progressive web app I built in 48 hours, and I'm not sure if this vlog will go out before or after, but let's go and set up in the living room. remember to drink water. Let's maybe have a quick look at some of the work that I'm doing in my, I would say spare time, but it's not my spare time. I am a freelancer. I am a self-employed, so I plan my time, and I am investing some of my time in a few different projects for either learning purposes or actual business ideas for the future. So let's turn around the camera and have a look. So this is the screen, and here I have some of my ideas for YouTube videos. So you can see here it's the how I build an app in 48 hours, and then I write a script, but it's mostly just to like have an idea of what I'm going to be talking about and to have some sort of storyline, but I'm not gonna like say it out as like every word, but this is just to show that this is some of the work I'm doing. If we then go ahead and look at Figma, this is the 48-hour app I designed. So it's partly a like tracking app for me and my friends when we play paddle. I just began playing paddle, and then I am able to create the matches, and then we have some data of the matches. And that's what the next video is going to be about. Then I actually have a live product called StartSaaS.io, hashtag ad if I'm supposed to say that, but right now it's a simple database of resources for like starting or growing a SaaS product. So I've collected a bunch of videos, templates, and books and all sorts of that, all recommendations. And now I really want to take the product to like the next level, where I can also provide different stuff like maybe a webflow template, legal templates, pitch deck templates, SoMe templates, all of the things that I've learned throughout the years. And right now I am designing and building out the new landing page, and so far it's looking all right, I would say. And then of course it will have some different animations and whatnot, but that's also a project I'm working on. This is also just a fun learning project which I would like to develop in the future, which is also why I'm learning to code, so I can build out stuff. But here in Denmark we have some sort of like discount papers for each of the supermarkets each week, and people usually go into different supermarkets to have the best discount, but then they would also need to account for the meal plan and budget and what should they buy in each supermarket. And then I was thinking, what if I could use AI and then I could upload different sort of discount papers each week, and then the user would be able to select the preference in terms of if they are pescatarian, carnivore, and vegan or whatnot, and then they could choose the budget, and then they could build out a meal plan, and then they would have the meal plan so they could see what they should be making each week, and it would take the best discounted things, and then it would put it into a grocery list, so you would know like what to buy in each of the grocery stores. And it would also make sure that it would account for the other things like preference, budget, and whatnot. And I think it could be a really cool app. There is something similar to that in Denmark, but that is mostly for one supermarket. So could be something that could be cool to build in the future. So these are some of the projects I'm doing on my own. I'm not currently showing some of the client work, but hopefully this is also of some sort of inspiration, and hopefully in the future I can share and do more of a build in public. But right now I'm just still learning some of the things I want to learn before I can build what I want to build. And then I'm also trying to figure out how to have time for everything. So it's still the second month as self-employed, and there's a lot of learnings, but hopefully you will stick around to see how it goes in the future, and I'll try to document as much as possible.